Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are jumping into the serpentine belt diagram of the 2007 Acura TL. So if your serpentine belt is worn and you need to get it replaced, hey, this is the right video for you. So smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's jump right into it.
Welcome back everyone. Before we pull the old belt off, look at this layout. You got 6 main points. Starting at the top left, you have your power steering pump. Moving down, you hit the idler pulley, then the crankshaft at the bottom. Coming back up, you wrap around the AC compressor, over the tensioner, and finally up to the alternator. The secret here is the tensioner. On this 3.2 liter V6 engine, the tensioner is hydraulic. You're going to need a 14mm wrench or a dedicated serpentine belt tool. Remember, to release the tension, you're going to be pulling toward the front of the vehicle. Now, if you're flipping cars for profit or needing your vehicle for work, time is money. So here is the quick method. The space is tight against the fender wall, so don't try to thread the belt around the crankshaft last. It's too deep. Instead, loop it around the crankshaft first, then the AC compressor, and the power steering pulley after that. Leave the alternator, the pulley right at the top, for last. Why? Because it's the easiest one to see and to reach while you're fighting the belt tensioner spring with your other hand. While you are in here, this would also be a great time to check your idler pulley and belt tensioner for proper operation. If it feels gritty when you spin it, replace it now. A squealing belt ruins a startup and a sale every single time. Once the belt is seated, double check every single rib. If it's off by even one groove on that crank pulley, it's going to shred within 10 miles. Give it a quick start, listen for any chirps, and if it's silent, you just saved yourself over $150 at the repair shop and added value to your flip. And that is the 2007 Acura TL serpentine belt diagram and install. If this video helped you get your Acura back on the road, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. We are doing a full series on this Acura TL covering everything from the timing belt replacement to finding the correct tire pressure for this vehicle. You definitely do not want to miss the upcoming savings. Stay tuned for our future videos and keep on wrenching everyone. I will see you in the next one.